Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Glossybox November beauty box. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. This is what the box looks like this month. It's the standard Glossybox packaging, and inside we get some makeup products, there's some skincare, and there's also some other little treats as well, which is really good. Along with the box we get a magazine which tells us all about the products that are inside, how to use them, and of course how much each of them are worth as well. For next month, the sneak peek is the LA Splash Moonlight Glow face palette. So that's it right there, if you can see up the top. And it says that this is worth £25. There's also a little kind of advert here at the bottom for the Glossybox limited edition beauty box, so that will be really good. There's always really nice brands in that every year, so I'm excited about that. Before I jump into the beauty products, I just want to show you the little extra treats that we get inside the box. And we get these from Thorntons, which I am going to be like eating after my dinner the night. So these are the Thorntons Pearls, and one is a hazelnut delight and the other one is a salty caramel sensation. So these look just so scrumptious and yummy. I love Thorntons chocolates, and you get like a £1 off voucher as well. Then we also get this from Wrigley's Extra. This is a refresher bubble mint gum, so I'll be using that also. The first thing we get inside is the e.l.f. bite size eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Berry Bad. So I seen that they come out with these like within the past year or so, and they always look really nice. Like they had some really nice colour stories. I know e.l.f. is a really good drugstore brand, so I'm excited to see how this goes. And that's the shades right there, so really nice kind of berry tones. They are great for this time of year. I love these types of colours in the outer corners of my eyes, and like this type of colour here will be great I think on the lid. Like if you just want that kind of soft eye look, you can put that in the lid and that in the outer corner. And then if you want a little bit more of a glam look, add the kind of metallic shades into the look there. They are rich, highly blendable and gorgeous soft pink and berry shades. So yeah, this is a really nice little palette I think for this time of year. And e.l.f. is cruelty free and vegan, which is great, and it's a drugstore price palette of £4. Next thing inside is the Human and Kind hand scrub. So this looks nice. It's in the scent elderflower and raspberry, and it says here the scrub gently cleanses your skin to leave your hands feeling better than ever. Dried raspberry seed delicately yet effectively removes dead skin cells, while the shea butter and sunflower oil ensures your hands feel hydrated and smooth. Okay, so sounds lovely, and this is £12.85. The next thing we get I'm looking forward to trying, and it's from Ecooking. This is their cleansing gel. So I really love Ecooking's foot cream. Like that is one beautiful foot cream. I love it. I have it next to my bed and that when I use it mostly every night when I'm going to bed, and I just love it. And yeah, this is their cleansing gel, and again I love gel products. And it says here that it has cucumber in it, which is really lovely, like lovely and fresh feeling on the skin, and it also has organic glycerin in it. So I don't know if you can see, but like the bottle looks quite kind of sparkly, if that makes sense. Like the liquid inside or the gel looks kind of very sparkly. I don't know how to describe that, but it looks great. I think it's maybe because of the glycerin. It says containing ingredients such as organic sunflower oil that are moisturising and nourishing. You'll wonder why this cleanser wasn't already a part of your skincare routine. Deeply refreshing your skin and removing unwanted impurities. It's perfect for your face, neck and décolletage. So yeah, this is £14.30. Next thing we get inside is this sponge from Karina. So this is a makeup sponge where you can apply obviously your foundation, your concealer and things like that. I don't use makeup sponges a lot, like I do use them time to time. My favourite ones are Real Techniques and Ecooking. They're my favourite sponges. I've never tried the original beauty blender before, I don't think. No, but my favourites have been Ecooking and Real Techniques, but this one feels quite squishy, which is nice, so I'll give this a go and see how I got on. The next thing we get inside is this from Commodity. It's their paper fragrance. Yes, so let's give this a little smell. I don't know if I like that. I'm not a fan. No, I don't know what the scents are in this. Let me check. It says this molecule skin scent combines woody isoe super with touches of sweet amber and a lightweight and effortless glow that comes alive on skin. Part of Commodity's personal scent space collection, Paper is the intimate skin scent that embodies the concept of less is more. Okay, I don't really understand this. I don't know, it must be part of a collection of fragrances, so maybe you mix them together with other scents from the collection maybe. Like I know some brands have come out with perfumes that you kind of mix together, which you can make your own kind of personal scent then, but yeah, I don't know if I'm a fan of this. I'm not really liking the scent of this. However, some of you guys might like it, of course, and it may go lovely on your skin. But me, I personally don't really like it. I could sit here and lie and say this is beautiful, but it's just, no, that's just not right. And yeah, it's not really for me, this scent. But anyway, that is the last time we get inside the beauty box this month, and that is £13. Okay, so that is everything inside this month's beauty box. And I think there's some really great products in there. Like, I'd love to know your thoughts on the products this month. But I am looking forward to using the Ecooking cleansing gel. That's one of my favourites from this month. Also, the bite size palette from e.l.f. looks amazing, like really pretty colours in that. And then I'm really happy for the little extra treats we get, like the little Thornton's chocolates. Like, I just love getting these little like sweets, and we've had a few different like chocolates and sweets and things in the Glossybox over the past few months. Like I think last month or the month before it was, we got a Lindor chocolate bar, which I just love, and then I think we got a can of some sparkling like flavoured drink, which was lovely as well. So I really do love getting these little kind of food products in the Glossybox. Anyway, that is my favourite products from the box this month. Again, I would love to know your thoughts down below. And yeah, if you're interested in the Glossybox, I do have a discount code where you can get your first box for £10. That will be available for at least the next few months, so you can use that. I'll leave the code down below in the description box along with the link. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked and enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.